Hey guys, this is my 21 Civic hatchback Sport, and 3 days ago my lady was driving it and somebody ran into her in the parking lot, and the damage is not that major, but as you can see, it's kind of like yeah, I hit that's the impact right here, and then push the bumper cover up, and so I'm not sure if that the clip here, the retainer clip, is broken, but you can see it comes offline. Okay, and so at the impact here, you can see the little the damage here. All right, so we just picked it up from the body shop, and this is it. This is after. So there we go. So they did a wonderful job.